attractions and attractions and numbers to infinity, and in the parts and the whole of their life. And here is the now, and this is our home. And there are races, gender, tribes, ages, religions, sexualities, species, perspectives, visions, and infinite systems of existence. And there is this tension between collaboration and competition, as all these diverse systems try to be together in wholeness. And the complexity of the collaborating seems overwhelming, and often we use competition, and the competing carries inherent loss. We strive for solutions, thinking and feeling our way, using our senses, smelling, listening, tasting, touching, and looking, searching. But the complexity seems so overwhelming. We want simplicity, and it's so simple to halt, fight, scream, kill, threaten, war, stab, condemn, devastate, and destroy. And it's so easy to despair, and despair, and despair. But through the despair, we taste the new morning dew. We look up and see the stars are still shining, and we touch the plants growing through the cracks below us. And we hear a crying baby, and we smell the perspiration of our lovers. And then we feel hope. And then we think hope. Thus we continue forward into infinity with hope. My brothers and sisters, please take your hand and place it on your heart. Feel the wholeness, feel the joy and the comfort of wholeness in your heart. Now take the hand and place it on your forehead and envision diversity. Think about the benefits and beauty thanks to diversity. Now, look around you at one another. And now the future continues.
All right, thank you for coming, everyone, and let's gather in a circle over here. So, Earthweek has begun, and we've created and planned Earthweek to have dialogue and actions to think and to explore what it means to live on Earth, to live as a community, and what it means to have a good home, how to hold on to hope as we move forward. So people feel comfortable. We're going to pass around the board. When the board gets to you, please share a thought, idea, or way in which you maintain or reclaim hope in your life and your community. For me, reclaiming hope has a method I use a lot is to listen to others, to be open to listening.